In this multiple choice question, they are directing us to specify which method we are not using for excitoplan conservation. For this, we are giving the detailed illustration about the wrong option so that we can specify the correct option. Jump forming and shifting both contributes to the deforestation. Excitoconservation is a technique for conserving biodiversity in which vulnerable species of plant and animal are removed from their natural habitat and housed in zoological park with secure environment, botanical garden, gene bank, seed bank, and animal safari park. These are the things we are giving as an example. And the hash and slash pathway pictorial representation also we are representing. Option A is illustrating about the seed bank or germplasm bank which is not satisfying the excitoconservation. Botanical garden and the field gene bank is also not satisfying the excitoconservation. Only the shift cultivation is exactly not a correct method for excito plant conservation. So we are choosing option B as a correct answer for satisfying the 4-mark demand of this multiple choice question.